back up.
All right, our first step is going to be installing the head. To do that, we're going to put on the new head gasket. Some places recommend putting on copper or aluminum. We're not going to, just because this is a new block that's been cleaned up, and the head we've got's just been machined. When we put this head gasket on, you can see in very faint lettering, it says this side out. So this is the side that goes up, and you can see there's the little lip around each of the cylinders. So this is the side that's going to go up, and we are going to set it on just like so. And now we're going to go get the head.
Okay, we got this head cleaned up by Glass City Motor Works. They did a really nice job on it. It's really nice. They did a really, really nice job on it.
On now.
Here, slide this in.
Ouch.
You all right?
Now the head is on, so we're going to torque on these nuts. Okay, well they're over cleaning up bolts. We're going to torque these down to 65 foot-pounds.
Start in the center, and then alternate working your way out. Because you don't want the head gasket to wrinkle. Keep going. Push. Push on the end.
Okay, so we're gonna put in the old spark plugs so that we can paint it and the paint won't get inside the cylinders. Then we'll replace them with new ones. You just want it hand tight.
Rock around.
It looks alright. It looks good.
A little stiff and smooth. So I just need.
That's alright. I mean, you'd rather than be stiff than loose.
That's good.
Where's that thing?
Okay, we put the studs in. Now we're going to put these push backs in. So this little small end goes in down through these like little holes and just set in like that.
That's alright. They're gonna be different. You gotta push against the valves to get them to go down.
Push them so they're even.
No, they won't be even.
See, some of these are up because they're gonna push the valves open. So we have to work against those.
Slides on.
We need a little persuasion here. Hold that like that.
Don't you want a dead blow or something?
That blow would have been good, Isaac. Okay, Isaac, nuts. Here's a big one.
Big one goes on.
Oh yeah, we gotta get these under here.
Yep. Now, I don't know if these are adjusted right or not.
Yeah, adjust them later.
We'll figure that out.
Keep down down again, so let's see the nuts part. The first nut just holds this on here and here.
Yeah, the big one.
I have the back one here is coarse threaded. The rest of these are all fine thread. Gabe, could you go grab a 9/16 ratchet, please?
For the ratchet wrench work also?
Yep.
Yep, that would be fine.
Is this a 9/16?
That's probably half.
Nope, this is a 1/2. That's a half by a half is 1/2.
9/16.
No, goes on.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Then you want it lower so that it doesn't.
John, that one's way down. This one's way up still. That's why.
Dead blow.
You gotta.
I was wondering what was going on here.
This one, get it. I got it over here.
Ready?
Get it, bowl. You want a bigger one?
There. Yeah.
This one's not down now.
Yeah, but it leveled it up. See? Hold
See,
on.
they're gonna push against these. We gotta get these rods underneath here,
Yeah. But Gabe, you got that 9/16
right here.
again? This. If I ever hit this, hit that one.
This one?
No, with the wrench.
Oh,
Yeah, because it's caught.
I was wondering what was going on there. With those valves being so far, I'm like, man, this thing must be really out of adjustment.
No, I can see when I knelt down.
How are we looking?
Pretty good. Yeah, you're even. I mean, they're both up a touch, but this back needs to come down too. I think that's
5/16.
that's gonna be a 5/8.
Or 5/8.
I have my
Is that a 5/8?
Can you just give me a 5/8, please?
Okay, I'm gonna see what the torque's supposed to be on that.
That's all I think.
It goes bigger than that, though. Okay. But they definitely aren't pushing these guys on the sugar.
These are 5/16.
Well,
It's
it probably tells you in the service
no,
manual.
wait, these are 3/8.
These are 3/8, yeah.
We're looking at 22 foot-pounds if it's a grade 2.
Well, I think this manual has
Does it?
the
This is flying spider, Isaac.
specs.
Really? Yeah, here's the patch here. He puts some spider web down on here.
Valves.
Little sinker. Step on. These are right. That should. Well, I definitely can't see where this is.
Valves.
And now we need a bolt. No, first we gotta get these ready. But then, yeah, we'll just slide it on. Then we'll just go. Then we'll bolt it down. Well, we ready to go? So I'm like a bang boom. I don't even know what they are.
No, it's not saying.
It's 23 safe.
It's probably not all that critical.
What am I supposed to talk about?
What did the other book say?
It didn't. Just for the general. Grade 2 is 20 foot-pounds.
Here, you want to alternate them a little bit?
Then we can put this one on.
What do you got it set at?
20.
See, why'd they put these little dots in it?
20?
Yeah. Yep. Yeah, 20. Isaac, can you grab me the other book?
Use some sort of limit. Oh, what? The one that
Yeah.
You know what, that feels tight enough. I'm not a big fan of,
Are you a big
Certain
fan
bolts.
of torque wrenches?
Just wait it, you.
We have Walmart to torque.
I mean, those threads they're older than I am.
How do you know? Because he knows how old the truck is.
There's 20 here for this.
That's 3/8.
Yeah.
So these are gotta be, these are 5/16, John.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Oh, they're plenty tight.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, cause that's 3/8.
No, these are 3/8. Because
Oh.
I just put a 9/16 wrench on them. This is a 7/16.
Oh, you're right. No, those are,
Right, that's
Those-
got 20 foot-pounds on
this
it.
is also 3/8. It's just a bigger nut.
Yeah.
Cause look,
Okay.
3/8 threads, it's just a bigger nut.
Well,
So
I
they're
got
both,
that.
they're all 3/8 diameter, they're just different nut sizes, cause
They're good.
Can we put them on?
cool.
It's
Not yet.
different
Not yet.
size 3/8. That kind of hurt a pain in
Now,
that.
you know what we ought to do right now? It's better at top dead center.
What's all that mean? What's that mean?
I'll show you.
Yeah.
5/16 ratchets or wood.
Both valves are free. Did I just hit the camera? Now look here. See, this valve is open. You want them both
Ready?
shut. Yeah, go ahead.
Did you hear that? What is he doing?
Well, now he's dealing with compression.
There's air coming out. It's hissing out.
Supposed to.
Is this what he-
He's gonna have to go maximum 2. Alright. We're going down. Now he's going up on the exhaust stroke.
That got tight.
Yeah, keep going. We're 180 degrees opposite what we should be.
Is this why Otis doesn't work? Is that the valves aren't pressed enough?
And poor Otis is just old.
Well,
You
now
wanna take the spark plugs out?
Wouldn't hurt.
Or at least loosen them.
They're not, I mean, yeah, they're loose.
Okay.
give us some.
This thing's still tight. I mean,
Well, it's gonna be.
the whole thing was tight.
That's what you wanna hear. Okay, now see this, this is an intake valve, so we're going one up on the intake stroke. I think this is intake. Where's the, anyhow, just keep going. This is the intake valve. So we open that and the piston's gonna come up.
And it fills with gas and air, and then it sounds like
One of them
an
both
engine
loose.
running.
Getting close, keep going.
There's-
Getting close, keep going.
No, I'm just trying not to go past. Just 'cause I can't really back it off.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Go.
It's hard to say how this was adjusted. Keep going.
I think this is all.
That looks, my guess is that's about right. We should, the only way you can really tell is taking this out and putting you put a piece of wire in. You see anything?
Yeah.
You see the head,
Cylinder, the top of the
the piston here? Is it right up there?
Almost. Here, look in.
Either gone too far or it hasn't. See, it all depends on, these may not be adjusted right.
I'm sure they're not.
Can I open this up?
It's a new Just wait. You see it, John?
Yeah, go ahead, keep turning it. I can see the top end.
Here, Isaac, hold the spark plug, please. Right.
Up. Right there.
Good?
You're there.
Then it's
That's top dead center. See, look. Well, it's really close, isn't it?
oh my. Looks like there's a
Good,
floor.
right?
Yep.
Okay, now
All
we're
right.
gonna put the cover back on.
So,
I think.
first cylinder's all the way up.
I wonder if this set is set at top dead center.
The timing mark? It might.
Keep going.
That would make sense.
Hey, partners.
Up.
Right there.
Okay, that's top dead center.
Yeah, there you go.
Now we leave this here.
So there's a little dot on the camshaft and the main gear here, and
They should line
when the
up.
two dots line up, apparently that makes it top dead center.
Yeah, this is.
Well, I'm sure they're not
These
adjusted
valves-
right, John.
Yeah. This valve here seems too tight.
Well, that's entirely possible because this was
You
off
can't let
another
this one
block,
off. This one's
right?
Excuse me, part.
This was off a block that was not running.
that's about half inch.
Half inch.
Oh, spark plug
Here,
there.
Got one?
I got a half inch.
So that's how it looks.
Look at that help with this game.
Get it loose in this jam. There.
Oh, this gets way too loose.
It is a little too loose. You need a feeler gauge to get it right.
Hold on, John. You gotta keep the screwdriver in. Or
Yeah, you're right.
What's a feeler gauge?
Your dad has one.
yeah, I got one. Hey, Gabe or Isaac, can you get me a half inch wrench, please? Top left on that red bag by the vise. Top left, all the way by the impactor, please. Gabe, can you go help him get the half inch wrench out of there, please?
You got a feeler gauge?
Yeah,
What is it?
right by the big ratchet right
Might
there.
as well look it up and get this one set. Get them both set.
We have a half inch socket. Hey, Dad, do I screw this thing back in?
Yep, put her back in, part.
Half inch wrench. No.
A lot of guys do this when it's running.
Why? They do what?
Just the valves.
But they'd be going up and down.
Mm-hmm.
Wouldn't that be dangerous?
Keep your hands and hair out of the way, you'll be fine.
Valves
Well,
and
my-
seats.
This one's loose too. These
Cylinder
ends.
head.
That's way too loose.
This one's not.
The rule of thumb is this, you can always make them too loose and you won't hurt a thing, it'll just be noisy. But if you make them too tight, you'll burn up the engine.
So how do you know if they're too tight? Oh, that thing. Okay, that's a filler gauge because I know.
So you put
thought
this
that was a
much
thickness
space.
gauge.
Tappet gap should be set to 0.014 hot for series A, B, and 0.013 cold for the cub. So it's supposed to be hot. So
013 for the cub.
yeah, but it says 014 hot for an A.
Well,
Yeah,
you
well,
just,
this isn't hot.
I know, but you just run the gap on the.
Well, see what'll happen is it'll close up and we don't know how much it's gonna close up. And that's the problem. Yeah, that's 015 right there. We'll have to do this when it's hot.
Here's what we do then, John. Let's
Hold that. You want to set them all up, or just forget about it for now?
I think you forget about it for now,
Alright, well,
right?
well, we can't put right stuff on this then.
Right. That was what I was gonna
Yeah.
say is I think we just put the standard gasket on it,
Yeah, that'll be.
Yep.
and then, I mean, as long as you don't think any of these are too tight, we're gonna break anything.
Well, if you can do this,
See, that one's tight.
oh
and
yeah, but
one's
this one's down.
Yeah.
See?
Okay. Oh, you're right. Yep.
This one's down.
So is this one.
Doesn't seem to me like anything's gonna be too tight.
All right. I think we just put the.
Should we go to look at this one?
That's too much.
That's way
Yeah.
too much.
Do we want to snug that?
Well,
up?
we don't know how much it's gonna expand.
Yeah,
That's the
so
thing.
let's
So
not-
let's see what we got in here.
About an eighth.
How about if we just go to 0.2?
How about 9.0?
That's 0.22.
9.0 is 9.
That's an extra thousandth.
Like I said, it's like an eighth, John.
Wow, yeah.
Like, I mean, it's not even close.
It's no wonder
Alright.
this thing wasn't running right.
Wasn't
Can we
running
even
at
get
all.
it running?
With the gaps that big?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Well,
Put
you
it, yeah, let's put them at 0.2,
Yeah.
0.22. The ones that we can.
What happened? Is it gonna be too tight though when it's hot?
No, it's just what'll happen when it gets hot is the push rods are gonna get longer.
So that means the gap will get tighter.
Yeah, we don't wanna get it too tight to start with.
How
A little back, a little more.
Well-
No, the other way.
I would
A little back away, right there.
Okay.
Then we just.
So you do this when it's running.
But that
This is
takes
kind
a
of-
while to get it off.
It
stinks.
it's hard because this thing's going up and down when you're trying to.
How's that?
Good. That one's good.
Close enough?
Yeah,
How? So you just gotta run it super slow.
that one's a little tight. Loosen it up a little bit. There we go.
Good.
That's good.
Enough? That one's down.
That one's way tight. They're way loose.
Does it matter that this one's down?
No, the only thing we have to do, we can just leave them the way they are. Cause you never messed with them, right?
No, I never messed with them. Cause.
Right there. See, what happens is the metal wears on these rods and on here, so they're gonna work their way loose. They won't work their way.
That's not bad.
That's pretty good. This is
This one's comical. Well, a couple of them, when I pulled this off, there were a couple of the rods that were thrown, like they were not even on the tappets.
That's the one's like 0.4.
yeah, it was running when we put it away.
Yeah, I know, that's what they told me.
Keep going.
Hold on, I gotta go tighter, but this thing's pretty gummed
Like
up.
0.5 now. Yeah,
There we go.
0.5 is half a centimeter. It needs
Right
to be
there.
as thin
There?
as your
Yeah.
ear. No, that's good. Yeah, we'll just say this is good.
No, I mean, there were 3
Wait a
rods that were off. 4 stuck valves out of 8. It was,
Well, we could just
And
put
it
the
didn't
Axis
run.
settling torch on this
surprisingly.
thing.
Gabe, can you go grab us the gasket for this, please?
This bad boy.
This bad boy.
Isaac, can you go find me the oil filter for it? Oil filter's bottom left in that cabinet.
It looks like a big red cup.
No, cabinet below it, Isaac. Doesn't look like it's not red.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the red cup. Yeah, that too. If we want to put the filter in, so.
Might as well.
Yeah, yeah, that's the cup, and now there's a box. There's a white box down there.
Bring me the cup, partner.
Yeah, let's put it on.
There's a white box in there.
So
That looks like it. What does it say on the end? Oh, let me see the end. No, the other end.
go just like so.
Oil filter, that's it.
We'll mess with this. You probably want to clean that up, huh?
Yep. I'll be back.
Let's go grind that clean, and we'll be back to it.
Should I open the oil filter, Dad? Should I, Dad? The oil filter? Or should I put the oil filter on? Give it to
Right, with the oil, just a little bit. There's not much in here. Then I'm gonna rub it on here. You want to always put oil on the gasket, because I've seen them where they've been frozen on and you cannot get the oil cover off. Right? And we'll take it here. We'll put it down in that groove that's been cleaned. And we'll push it in, right?
Push it in, Isaac.
Isaac.
You want it clean, otherwise that might not, otherwise it won't go in.
Exactly. There you go. Maybe we'll take a screwdriver, but don't push too hard with the screwdriver because you don't want to scar it. All right? Because they make these pretty tight.
It'll tighten up once you screw down the cap too.
Yep. Oh, that one's gonna. There we go. Okay, how's it look all the way around? Looks good.
It looks pretty good. It's a little high over here, but we'll get her.
And right there.
Now, right, Isaac? Now we're gonna put this in here like this, right?
Right.
Right through there. Push it down. Get it lined up over that gasket.
And then we'll screw this guy down.
Yeah, screw this bad boy on.
All right. And that's all there is to it.
Yep, I'm in there.
We got the valve cover back on. We just torqued the exhaust manifold back on. These are on at roughly 18 foot-pounds. We had to chase a bunch of these threads on these studs, which was fun. We're going to have to seal this before installing it. Final stretch here, and then we're going to be putting the timing cover on.
I'm placing the new seal, oil seal, front main. All right, this holds this is the water inlet or outlet from the block, and it also holds the fan belt down here. We're gonna put this on right here.
All right, Gabe, can you line that up with those drifts?
Just put one in here like that. All right.
We've got some Permatex Ultra Black.
Where are the other seals for that? Or the other screws?
Up here on the block. Don't want to go in.
This stuff looks like a charm. What we should do is wipe all the stuff
Hold that.
falls out on the side right now. Then,
I think you're a little high.
what do you try? It's here.
You're right.
Gotta wait another day for this to be done.
There we go.
I don't think that's that on.
No. I just had it in. Hold that. Shouldn't be this hard, people. There we go.
You get in way quicker than
Down.
then you must have lined up pretty good.
Must have, huh?
There you go. Now we just rinse these guys down.
Yep.
And then the next step is putting on the timing cover.
Thanks for watching another episode of Ra's Tractors. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and I will do my best to answer them as quick as possible.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Please
Bye.
click like and subscribe.
Yep.